To fix a keyboard and mouse that are not working on a docking station, several potential causes must be addressed. Loose connections, outdated drivers for the mouse and keyboard, and outdated firmware for the docking station are common issues. First, check the docking station's connections by unplugging the keyboard and mouse, inspecting the ports for loose or broken connectors, and examining the cables for breaks or damage. Replace any damaged cables and reconnect the keyboard and mouse, ensuring they are securely connected. If the problem persists, the next step is to update the keyboard and mouse drivers. This can be done by right-clicking the Start button, selecting Device Manager, expanding the keyboard and mouse sections, right-clicking the drivers, and selecting the Update option. Follow the on-screen instructions to find, download, and install the latest drivers. After installing the updates, check if the issue remains. If so, updating the docking station's firmware is the next step. Visit the manufacturer's website, open the support page, and download the docking station's firmware. Extract and run the files on the computer. Then check if the problem persists. By following these steps, the issues with the keyboard and mouse not working on the docking station should be resolved.